When reliability is crucial and safety is expected to be the top priority, Prosertek Group will be there, ready to perform. Modern ships need technologically advanced solutions that meet high standards of quality and accuracy. Prosertek Group is a leading European company with over 2 decades of experience in designing and manufacturing harbor equipment and technology. From the first moment that the vessel approaches quayside, we provide the advanced systems which monitor both berthing and mooring of vessels safely. By using 2 fixed-beam lasers placed at the front of the berth, we are able to collect and monitor berthing data without interference. This is a precise system that can measure ships at distances of up to 300 meters. The laser systems are certified for explosive areas and are eye-safe. Wave and tide monitoring is developed by sensors which point lasers at the water surface. A Doppler sensor based on acoustic multi-frequency system technology measures the sea current. Environmental conditions are monitored from a simple sensor to compact stations, showing and archiving all weather parameters. The information provided by Dockmore can be viewed through several platforms, such as a digital panel on the dock, remote laptop monitors, a monitor in the control room, or through the website with remote access. The variable message sign displays the berthing parameters to be seen from the ship in real time, with large dimensions that allow legibility from greater distances than 140 or 250 meters. Well-designed docking fender systems absorb the ship impact at docking, redistributing and absorbing the ship's energy to avoid damaging the ship and the quayside. The mooring system measures mooring stress lines with load pins that are built into quick-release hooks. Data can be monitored in real time on the screen, complete with acoustic alarms for overloading on mooring lines. Prosertek's gangways shy away from complexity, adapting technology to simplicity, delivering optimum operability and stability. Our gangway's design is highly oriented towards equipment safety, comfort, and maintainability. We offer a range of marine bollards in different sizes, shapes, and load ratings to cover any of our customers' requirements. Passenger boarding bridges are designed to facilitate the transit of people between the ship and the dock. They can operate in severe environmental conditions, protecting passengers from even the harshest elements. Prosertek's boarding bridges meet the most rigorous international safety and security standards for passengers. Our large range of projects includes gateway facilities, quick-release hooks, berthing aid systems, cranes, bollards, fenders, and an extensive variety of equipment for ports.